YouTube. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making this possible. I am grateful. Like, I'm super excited this morning, guys. Like, super excited after all of the roller coasters I've been through. Guys, see, until something happened to you, you will not know that you really have people on the street. Until something happened to you, that is where you will know if you have a fan base or you have a non-fan base, to be honest. Like, I'm so grateful, I'm so excited, and I can't just express how grateful I am this morning. Anyways, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So when I started sharing my experience and everything that had actually been happening to me, and I have to like share with you guys as well with the strike that I have on the channel, that is when I now realized that I am not just on this street alone. I am here with a family. I am here with people that really loves me genuinely from the depth of their hearts. I am here with heroes. I'm here with empresses, kings. I don't even know how to like express my joy, honestly. Like, I've literally been happy for the past 2 days now. Like, the happiness, especially after uploading that particular strike video I had, the happiness just increased, to be honest, because God, it like you seeing people and people telling you that vibe with Sonia, even with this phrase that is happening to you, I am personally here to drop something for you, to put something in your accounts, to make you happy, to just put a smile on your face. Vibe with Sonia, we got you covered. Vibe with Sonia, we will still go and search your videos and be watching your videos. Vibe with Sonia, some person chatted me and they said, Vibe with Sonia, don't feel bad about it. This is a new phrase in your life. You're going to move to another level. Some persons chat me personally and said, with all of these things you're going through, drop me your account number. And they are dropping like, when I saw it, I was like, I don't understand. All of this can never be possible if YouTube did not make this platform out here. And another amazing part that made me so happy is my YouTube manager chatted me up as well. She expressed her heartfelt how she was so sorry what happened, blah blah blah, and schedule a meeting with me. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, everything is just coming with peace. Everything is just coming with love. Everything is just coming with so, guys, I really don't know how to express myself, and I just told myself it is going to be an error for me not to come here and say thank you to you guys. For those ones dropping messages, some drop messages on my videos, some chatted me up personally, especially for those ones that have my number, my YouTubers, the ones that we did classes together, the one that we did group class together. Chatted me out and they be like, we know personally who you are. You are a fighter. Do not give up. Drop us your account number, drop something here and there. This love is too much, oh, hey. This love is too much, oh. I'm grateful, guys. Thank you so much for loving Vibe with Sonia. And I promise you guys one thing. The one thing is, we are going to come back better, stronger, and more beautiful. We are going to come back with more videos that when you see, you know. Okay, so I don't even want to make this video more longer. This is just like a gratitude and appreciation video before I can just go into filming my normal videos. Anyways, if you have not gotten 1,000 subscribers, you've not gotten 4,000 watch hour, what are you waiting for? You know the goal is we getting monetized. Another super thing that actually got me excited this morning was like 2 of my students just got monetized. I said, in the midst of this chaos, we are still getting monetized. What is happening? We got monetized. I posted one already in my, what they call it, in my community tab. And guys, like, we are not, we don't come to play here. We are not coming to play. If you don't vibe with Sonia, you know. Except you don't know vibe with Sonia, you get. I bring all the vibes on the table, and I will still keep bringing all the vibes on the table. For those ones that will still be asking, yes, the strike still remains. And it is going to take us 90 days for the strike to actually leave the channel. And back and forth with subscribers, YouTube is still doing it. Even as at yesterday, it was at 93.7. As at this morning, they have slashed down like over 50 and it's 93.6. But we move. The most important thing is we are going to get better, stronger, and we are going to keep uploading videos. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And I just want to say I love you all. I love you for loving Vibe with Sonia. God bless you all, and I will see you guys in our next video, because this is just going to be like the last phrase of we talking about strike, demonetization, channel remover. We're just going to move straight to the content that you guys usually know us with, bringing all the vibes on your table and bringing all the updates that you so desire to get. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Mwah! If you still want to join our coaching, feel free. Fit3195 is the code. Check the mail in the description box. I love you guys. Bye.